So this here thing is a Swedge Knife, Swedge, and it's made by Camillus in Grand Prairie, Texas. One of the most interesting knives I've ever come across. It's basically used for woodworking, finish work. Comes the pressure lock sheath. As you can see, it's got a full tang, 8 3/4 inch fixed blade. Very sharp. It's got a good sharp, almost like Tonto knife kind of appearance. And up here it has a wedged shape chisel. On the back is a file or rasp for finishing, like carpentry, woodwork, that sort of thing. So anyways, I picked this thing up for about 22 bucks at Home Depot. I thought it was very cool. It's very heavy. And a lot of fun to use. So there you have it. Swedge knife made by Camillus.